Hey guys, Friday, July 12th, 2024. Let's see what the Black Widow has for us today. Before I start, I wanted to show you a screenshot of what a typical failed fourth wave. This is the dollar. You can see we had a 2 around March, 3, that was at April high, 4. And then we were on path to work on a wave 5. You can see the profit ticket index, which is 25, wasn't greater than 35, is at 28. And it fell off the channel and it fell off the DMI moving average. So a lot of things happen indicating, and especially here, a couple of days just stalling. I put a video on June the 28th, already kind of seeing it kind of playing out. Just had to wait for this down move, and so far it revealed itself and pushing lower. Right now kissing the ellipse. I don't know if this is going to be a bounce, but this is a perfect example of what I don't want to see on that gas. So to kind of get an idea of what a failed fourth wave looks like. On regards to natural gas, we're pushing a little lower. We're below value area low of 231. There's one coming up around 222. And the bears had volume yesterday. So they're in control. I mean, it's pretty light. It's below average. There's nothing on the monthly and the weekly that's changed. I'm just focused on the daily, and we just kissed the cloud at 225. What, maybe the low is 224. We're right now at 226. So we made a low at 224. We took this out. This was the Tom D. Mark 9th candle. This didn't play out. It wasn't like a flush. And then, so I'm thinking next week is where maybe the Black Widow is going to reveal her hands and see what she's going to do. It's either going to turn around next week, somewhere between, what's today, the 12th, 15, 16. I think those are hot days to keep on your radar and watch volume for any spikes up. MACD is still positive, but we'll see. But if nothing happens and we just go sideways, grinding lower, then we will have to look at some other dates. But statistically, so far it's looking good for next week. We just got to see price action confirm it. Today is kind of slow. It's kind of like a dud. More like flat statistically. I mean, it's positive, but not by much. So nothing really there for us today. And it was kind of weak. I mean, statistically, it said it was a big down move. I don't think it was really a big down move at all. There was not that much volume. Not that much participation, so it's like very, very quiet, just dwindling very slowly. For maybe next week, do something major. So we'll see. Our APF, we are below the 25%, so this is a key level to watch, or angle. I mean, can it go down there? It's very possible. That's your next leg of support. And in our FT levels, we right there at support between 225 and 228. If this holds, that's not bad. I don't think I have anything else to show you there. So let's leave it at the APF levels. What did I say? FT levels? Oh no, FT levels is the other one. So this is APF. Let's go into our midpoint. So midpoint, you know, the yearly, we only have one pivot here, which is 225, around there. On the monthly, we are already below 228. There's nothing below at the monthly. And the next one will be 194. That's our April 14 low. If it's going to go down there, which could possibly, play out. It probably might test this, and this maybe could then be a wave 2 to do a wave 3. That's just me speculating. Your next level in regards to, look at the indicators. The daily, it's bottoming out and starting to creep into the mobile. So I don't know, maybe next week could be interesting. Statistically, it's positive. couple of days are very positive. We got to see price action confirm that. And the mobile is still price. It's the line projection line is still in the mobile. Here is starting to creep up. Stokes are very oversold or unwinding, as I would say. And on the 4-hour chart, it's still negative. You got these snapbacks with the Stokes. So this is a level to watch today. If it's gonna go down 224. And then your last one, I don't know, we're gonna get down there today, 217. I mean, that's a big drop. And I don't know, I can't see it dropping that fast, especially on a Friday, but you never know. But those are your key levels you want to watch. Another thing is that maybe they could drop it today. I'm just jumping the gun, and then Monday, Tuesday, reverse it and then squeeze the bears out. So, that's another way. But if it doesn't really drop that far, I think it just probably could kind of go sideways. And lastly, the hour chart. You can see that for today only, these are targets, which is 224. That number keeps jumping up, and 222. And these signals are, they're a lot, but I use them for scalping in and out and trading. So this is the line in the sand for today, 230. We can't get above 230. Don't bother going long because you're below the 200 moving average. You're below that. Just look at targets to the downside because it's kind of grinding sideways to lower. But if it were, you'll see, you can just probably look at the pivots next to you. But these are the targets to the downside. And they could just probably go, sideways, or maybe they could pop it. The extreme target to the upside will be 238, all the way to 236. And if it's going to test the high of yesterday, it's going to be 234. But this is your midpoint. This is the most important part. And actually, look at the Vwap. For clues where who's controlling the volume. 224, so we're all the way here. So we took out the 315 degree, and it could slowly grind. If it's gonna slowly drift, is 222, 219, 218. I would keep an eye on that. If it gets down there, then it might probably just stall. But we're now in this area, so meaning it could either go down here or in between 211 and 225. So this will probably be the range unless we regain 225. Then we'll have a fighting chance to get back to the zero line, which is 233. It'll be like this. But if we're here and we can regain 225, you could bet that maybe we're going to be between 218 all the way to 211. That'd be probably your range. Watch out for 212 and 214. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Is the Black Widow, tricking us? You think next week we'll get a pop? I'm kind of leaning on it, but I'm watching 2 dates, 15, 16, and 17, those 3 dates. 16 being very, very hot. When I say hot, there's like a lot of interesting stuff happening there. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.